Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning podcast.
Hi, friends. I'm David.
And I'm Anna. Thank you for learning English with us today.
This podcast is for beginners.
We speak slowly. We use easy words.
Today's topic is shopping in English.
This is English in daily life.
Before we start, please like, share, and subscribe.
Good job for practicing English today. David, we all go shopping.
Yes, we shop for food, clothes, and daily things.
Shopping English is very useful.
You don't need difficult English.
Simple sentences are enough.
Today, we will practice shopping words, asking about prices, talking to shop staff.
Easy, real, and useful English.
Let's start with shopping places.
Listen and repeat.
Shop,
Shop,
store,
store,
market,
market,
supermarket.
supermarket,
Now, shopping items.
food,
Clothes,
shoes.
bag,
Example sentence. I go to the supermarket.
I buy food and drinks.
Simple and clear. Now let's ask about prices.
This is very important in shopping.
Repeat after me. How much is this?
Great job.
Another easy question. How much are these?
We use this for one item.
We use these for many items.
Example, how much is this shirt?
How much are these shoes?
Very common shopping English.
Now let's talk about prices.
Two useful words, cheap, expensive.
Repeat. Cheap.
Expensive.
This shirt is cheap.
These shoes are expensive.
Now let's talk about size.
Repeat. Small,
Medium.
large.
Example. I want a medium size.
Very useful in clothes shopping. Now let's be polite in English.
Polite English is very important.
Repeat. Can I help you?
Answer. Yes, please.
Or, no, thank you.
Another polite question. Can I try this on?
Very common in clothes shops.
Polite English sounds friendly.
Now let's listen to a real shopping conversation.
Listen first, then repeat later. Hello, can I help you?
Yes, please. I want a shirt.
What size do you want?
Medium, please.
How about this one?
Nice. How much is this?
It's $10.
Okay, I'll take it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Listeners, this is real shopping English.
Many learners feel shy when shopping.
That's normal.
You don't need perfect English.
Short sentences are okay.
You can say, shirt, please. How much?
That's okay for beginners.
Practice slowly.
You are doing great.
Let's review today's lesson.
Today you learned shopping words, asking about prices, polite shopping questions.
This is English in daily life, shopping.
Now it's your turn to practice.
Community question. What do you like to buy when you go shopping?
Write one simple sentence.
Example. I like to buy clothes.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
See you next time.
Keep practicing English every day. Bye.